Hey Bug Geeks, it's Spider Dan here again, just with another unpacking video. Today we've just got Avicularia Avicularia to unpack. I believe it should be about a sub-adult size. General rule, these are quite docile species. I believe they do make a good beginner species. So without further ado, let's get to unpacking. As you can see, tub's already all set up. Let's have a look at the sort of size of her. Again, we've got all the catch cups ready and tongs and tweezers just in case they do decide to bolt, but they're not generally aggressive, touch wood. There she is. Always use tongs or something like that rather than your finger. If we can just get them to walk out of the actual tub as well, as soon as they touch something in the tub, they should realise that they can go on there. They won't try and bolt back up the tub or anything like that. Just a real gentle little nudge. These are all available as well through our shop page or on our website when they get updated today. And we do have quite a few more new inverts and bits and bobs that have just come in, along with some adult assassin bugs as well. The Cytala horrida, the giant thorny ones, which are very, very cool in my opinion. Just nice and gentle like that. Come on, your legs. Oh. Brilliant, well that was nice and easy, that's how we like it. Cheers guys, thanks for tuning in, be in touch.